Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fitness app reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Les Mills Plus Fitness app. Join me as we explore the Les Mills Plus Fitness app, a premium platform designed to elevate your workouts, whether at home or in the gym. Links for exploring and signing up for Les Mills Plus are readily available in the description below. Let's delve into what makes this app a compelling choice for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. The Les Mills Plus app boasts a library of over 1,500 on-demand workout classes, encompassing globally recognized programs such as Body Pump, Body Combat, Body Balance, Grit, and many more. Each workout is led by highly qualified and motivating instructors, ensuring correct form and maximizing your results. The app thoughtfully caters to all fitness levels, offering modifications for beginners and advanced variations for experienced athletes. Whether your goal is to increase strength, improve cardiovascular health, enhance flexibility, or enjoy a dynamic dance-based workout, Les Mills Plus has a class perfectly suited to your needs. A key strength of the Les Mills Plus app lies in its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Workouts are meticulously organized by category, intensity level, and duration, simplifying the process of finding sessions that seamlessly integrate into your schedule and align with your fitness objectives. Furthermore, the app offers an offline download feature, enabling you to maintain your fitness regimen even without internet connectivity. For individuals who thrive on structure, Les Mills Plus provides thoughtfully curated programs and challenges designed to foster motivation and consistency. Seamless integration with popular devices like Chromecast, Apple TV, and smart TVs enhances the Les Mills Plus experience, allowing you to enjoy workouts on a larger screen. Additionally, compatibility with fitness trackers empowers you to effectively monitor your progress and celebrate your achievements. Who is this app designed for? Les Mills Plus is ideal for anyone seeking energetic, studio-quality workouts from the comfort of their home. It's particularly well-suited for those who enjoy the camaraderie and energy of group fitness classes but require flexibility in their schedules. If you appreciate diverse workout options, top-tier production quality, and instruction from world-class trainers, the Les Mills Plus app will undoubtedly exceed your expectations. In conclusion, Les Mills Plus seamlessly blends versatility, accessibility, and expert guidance to provide a truly premium fitness experience. Regardless of whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, investing in Les Mills Plus is a valuable step towards achieving your health and fitness goals. Click the links below to embark on your fitness journey today.